Breathe in, breathe out, 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 relax. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. What you do is you just lift your leg up and down for 5 repetitions. Slowly. I'm using the wooden tapper to lose your just posterior chain of muscles. Slowly lift it up and down. Again. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Relax.